Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at our stainless steel bar drain board. Okay, this is a non-stainless steel unit, as I just mentioned right now. It is going to be certified by your health department. You have your certification on this unit. And pretty much what this unit is for all your glassware, to clean it, dry it, to cleaner and drying process. Okay, so you place your glassware right here and it'll dry it up. Okay, so very simple unit. Obviously it's just to place your cups on here. It all stainless steel, but it does have that white right here on the front, which is just a protective peel off sticker that you can go ahead and take off once you receive the unit. It's just to ensure that it doesn't get damaged or scratched up during shipment. Now I'm going to go ahead and give you the measurements for this drain board. You're looking at a length of 12 inches, followed by a depth of 29, and the overall height with legs, you're looking at a total of 33 inches. Okay, so the unit does have legs, as you can see in the video, and your overall height is 33 inches high. Okay, so it's a simple unit. As I mentioned, this is for your glassware, for your drying process. Okay, so if you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, coolerdepotUSA.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact unit. If you have any other questions regarding this unit, you can also give us a call and we can help you guys out. Thank you for watching.